Happy Friday. Hey guys, I'm just pulling up the comments on the other side. So for those of you that are watching live, I can see your comments in real time and be sure to respond. All right, here we go. All right, cool. I am so excited to come on here and introduce to you a new series that I have been thinking about introducing into this group, but haven't yet. And this week I said, actually, before this week, I was like, you know what? We are doing it. So, welcome to free business coaching. Every single Friday, I'm going to go live in this group and I'm going to invite one of you to all of you, but I'm going to be able to work with one of you at a time and for a business coaching session. So we're gonna, if you saw the post that I shared a post yesterday and with the what's it called, the schedule for the group, right? So every day of the week, we're gonna maintain a posting schedule so that you know what to expect in this personal branding group. So this is super exciting because I want to be able to serve you better. I want to help you get your personal brand off the ground. I want to help you get serious about your business, whether that's starting your business or up-leveling your business and whatever industry that you are in. If you are here, most likely you are a personal brand entrepreneur. So you are a coach, consultant, an artist, a writer, a speaker, a professional service provider. Any one of those, you are a personal brand entrepreneur. And whatever I can do to serve you better, that's what I'm here to do. So this new series on Fridays, hashtag free biz coaching, you will be able to find that here on Fridays. So what happens with personal branding is we usually set off and we're like, okay, we set off to start a business or to provide content or to help people, right? With our expertise, with our knowledge, with what we know. And then we realize there's so many components to that. There's the business component, there's the strategy component, there's the branding component, there's like the tech component, websites, like all of these things. And my goal with providing business coaching here in this group is so that you have an introduction, first of all, into what business coaching is if you've never worked with a coach. At the Meraki Collective, I work with one-on-one clients and also in group coaching programs in a business coaching format, in a business coaching relationship, aside from helping people develop their brands and websites and all that fun stuff. But I wanted to bring a portion of that into this group. So that's why I am inviting you to come on live with me on Fridays. We're not going to do it today because today's just the intro. I figured I should talk about it a little bit before shining the spotlight on someone. So that's why I'm inviting you to come on and get some business coaching. So if you're watching live or if you're watching the replay and you would be interested in getting business coaching by me in this group, please let me know in the comments. Send me a DM and we'll get it all squared away. Now, if you've never worked with a business coach or if you've never had the opportunity to have like a session or anything like a business coaching session or branding coach session, what are some of the benefits? That's what I wanted to highlight here today. Working with a coach helps you. Actually, a lot of you here are business coaches, or I'm sorry, are coaches. So you know the benefits of working with a coach. But so many times we forget that coaches also need coaches. Whether you are a lifestyle coach, a fitness coach, a wellness coach, whatever it is, however you categorize or whatever title you have, right? But when you're working with a business coach, the purpose of that is I want to help you see your blind spots. I want to shine a light on your blind spots because if you don't do that, you won't know how to move forward. A lot of the people that I work with, they say, well, I feel stuck. Well, let's shine a light on that. That's the only way to get unstuck. But when I ask like, what are you stuck about? There's so many things. It's hard to know. So working with a business coach, that's one of the huge benefits. I also want to help you get out of your own way. That's another benefit of working with a coach is sometimes we go about this alone or we are surrounded by people that are beautiful families that maybe don't understand what it's like to start a business, what it's like to be a personal brand, what it's like to create content and figure out your branding. They're just not in that world, and that's okay. But it's nice to have a community and somebody to be able to, that understands those things and what is required, and that helps you get out of your own way. So a lot of times, another thing that I hear a lot from my clients is that they are afraid to put themselves out there, because what if somebody says something bad about them online, or what if people don't like them, and all of these things, so many things that come up, right? So this is another thing that I help you work through. And also, as your business coach, I am going to help you I'm going to ask the hard questions. I'm going to ask lots of questions. And with that, you'll be able, so much will open up to you and help you implement knowledge that you already know. There's so much free training, so much free stuff out there, so many videos and tutorials and all the things. Sometimes it's just like, okay, how do I even implement this? Like, what do I do with this information? That is what a business coach helps you do. And that's what I want to help you do in this group on Fridays with #FreeBizCoaching with me. And also, we're going to map out a plan. So if you come on live with me on Fridays, if you are one of the people that raise their hand and say, yes, I am doing this, whatever you're working on, whether that's like branding or mapping out a business plan, mapping out a branding plan, just like brainstorming, figuring out like what your offers, like we can talk about your messaging, whatever is related to your personal brand and business, like I want to talk about that with you. And so those are some of the benefits. Now, how does this work? Well, every week I'm going to put it out there in this group, and I'm going to invite you to apply for this free business coaching. And what you'll do is submit your information, and if you are selected, I'm going to send you a link. We'll go live in this group, okay? So that's one thing you got to know. Like, other people are going to see this coaching. You're going to be in front of everyone here in the group that watches that replay. So that's one thing you got to know. A few things about that. How do you get the most benefit with business coaching? There's two ways. Number one, if you are the one getting the coaching, if you're on the, what I like to call, or what's usually called a hot seat or spotlight seat, if you are the one there, the biggest benefit for you is going to be when you re-watch your coaching session, because you're going to get so much more out of it than when you're like on and you're like kind of nervous about it and like don't know, like it's a little awkward. It could be a little awkward if you've never, especially if you've never come on live before, and like knowing that other people might watch you. But that's when you're going to get the biggest benefit, when you come and you re-watch, you watch the replay of your coaching session. And number two, another way that you're going to get huge benefit from these sessions is if you are the person watching. When we are watching someone else figure out their thoughts, like plan out their stuff and talk about like the mindset shifts they have to make, the limiting beliefs that they're working with, the fears that they have, oh my gosh, we see ourselves in them. And that's when we get huge benefit. Even if you're not one like that wants to be coaching live, that's fine. You will still get benefit just from watching these free business coaching sessions. So I encourage you to apply. I'll share more information about that in the group next week. Or you can also just send me a DM or let me know, like in the comments, like, heck yeah, I want a free business coaching session with you. If that's the case, I'll send you all the information and we'll get it set up for next Friday. But if you're like, oh, okay, I'm not gonna do that, no thank you, it's all good. Jump in here to watch the coaching sessions, because I promise you, this is going to make such a big difference. Even if we're not working together in a one-on-one environment, even if you just come and look at these and watch these coaching sessions in this group, there is going to be so much that you'll learn, so much that you're going to grow from just from watching other people get coached. So those are the two ways that you get the most benefit from business coaching. So once again, Fridays, #FreeBizCoaching. If you are interested to apply for one of these sessions, my goal is to do this every Friday. I want to provide the most value to you. I want to help you keep growing your personal brand, keep developing your business, keep doing the thing that you know you got to do, but sometimes it's just like, ugh, I can't, or I'm stuck, or whatever. Let's talk it out. Let's map it out. I'm here for you. So what do you need to do if you are interested? Once again, send me a DM or write it in the comments or leave it in the comments below, and I will contact you and let you know how that's going to go down. The coaching session could be anywhere from 30 minutes to 60 minutes. Again, it's going to be live. It's one-on-one, me and you, and it will be in this group. All right? And the benefits are just going to be just incredible. I am so excited to share this new series with you. I hope that y'all take me up on this offer because it is going to be a game changer. No joke. All right. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments or send me a DM. I'm here for you all. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for being part of this Design Your Personal Brand Facebook group. I appreciate you so much, and we will be in touch. Bye, everyone.